Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because I am testing out the new Makeup Revolution palettes, the Reload palettes, and there is 4 of these palettes. And guess how much they cost, guys? You're gonna die. They're only £4. I bought these off Superdrug's website. I now see that they're available on Ulta. So if you're in the US, that's where you should pick up your Makeup Revolution. I am so excited to try these. They look like the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, like subculture. A little bit of modern renaissance going on here. So because I have 2 and they're £4 each, I'm going to try both of these on my eyes today. So before I commence with the eye looks, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Stay Don't Stray from Benefit. I'm just going to apply that all on my eyelids and blend it in with my finger. And I'm just going to set that eyeshadow base with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Light, just to stop any of the shadows slipping and sliding around my eyelids. Ready-o! To start off this look, I'm going to go in with this palette first. I'm going to take this light brown shade up here. It's like a cream shade actually. I'm going to pop that into the crease. And you know what? I'm going to take a little bit of this kind of like peachy shade here and just pop that on top. I'm going to zoom in for you guys in a moment. The one thing I will say about these eyeshadows, you kind of have to dip in a couple of times just to get the colour payoff, but you do get the colour payoff, as you can see there. They really do build up, but other than that, I'm pretty impressed so far. Okay, so I really want to kind of warm up this look, and I'm going to go in with this really bright orange here. They are super pretty shades. They just take a little bit of work to build them up is all. I don't know if it's the brush, but you can kind of see it's just gone a little bit patchy just out there. I'm going to go in with this shade here first. I'm just going to place this on the outer and inner corner of the eye. And then just taking that first brush that I used and just kind of blend the 2 shades kind of out. I'm not putting them in the crease, I'm just kind of blending them out, if you get me. And I know it looks a bit messy right now, but I will be cleaning out the outer edge. And then just go in with this darker purple here on a smaller brush and just kind of going over that, keeping that even lower again. Okay, so I know this looks extremely messy, but bear with me. I'm just going to take the concealer from Makeup Revolution. I'm just going to take that on a little brush and just going to apply that to the center part of my lid. Now I want to do something shimmery on the inner portion of my eye, and I've loads of shades to go for. I love this pink shade here. I've got this green shade, the gold. I've got this shade here, or this one. We might go with the gold. Why not? We'll pop gold in there. Gold is extremely foiled. My brush isn't even wet. Really pigmented, that gold. Okay, and now from this palette, I'm going to take this kind of shimmery champagne-y shade, and I'm going to pop that right into the inner tear duct. And then taking this cream shade, I'm just going to pop that underneath my brow. I'm going to do a little bit of liquid liner just close to the lashes. Okay, I'm just going to pop on a bit of mascara. I'm taking They're Real, and then I'm going to go put some lashes on before I finish the rest of the face, and then I'll come back and do underneath the lower lash line. For lashes, I'm taking the Allure Light, and these are from House of Lashes. I'm obsessed with these lashes at the moment. They are so fluttery and beautiful and I love them. Okay, so I just finished the rest of my face. I'm just gonna finish off my eyeballs. And I think I'm gonna go in with the orange again. Why not? And just place that underneath my lower lash line. So I'm sweeping that the whole way from inner to outer corner. And then I'm going to go in with the dark purple from this palette. I'm just going to place that on the outer kind of portion, just to deepen up the outer corner of my eye. Finally, just going to add my mascara to my lower lashes. And that is it. We are done August dusted. Let's have a little bit of a discussion regarding these palettes. So I am really impressed with them. I thought that they performed really well. They're extremely pigmented once built up on the eyes. I was really happy with the look that I achieved with them. I really think that they're worth the £4. I mean, even if you were to buy all four, that's like £16. It's really not breaking the bank. I think that's pretty affordable for what you're getting. The quality of them is amazing. I think the mattes perform a little bit better than the shimmers. That gold shade went on really well, but I did swatch all of the shimmery shades and they don't all perform as well as that gold in this palette. I think that this palette is going to be one that I pick up over and over again, to be honest, because of all the warm tones in it. I love this, especially for a subculture alternative. I mean, we did try the On The Rocks palette from W7 and it is quite comparable. I've always thought there was something special about the formulation of Makeup Revolution eyeshadows. I think these are better than the chocolate bar ones, the I Heart chocolate. I think that they are probably one of the best formulated Makeup Revolution palettes I've tried in a long time. So if you're interested in picking them up, I highly rate them. I think they're really good. Very impressed, like the eye look that I come up with. Sorry about the sun today, guys, and the lighting going haywire. I hope you got to see the eye look anyway. I hate natural lighting when it doesn't work for you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today. If you are not already, please hit that subscribe button down below and join my little clan. I would love that. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. I love you all. Mwah. Bye!